This is Light Voices. I know you'll be surprised that we are now teaching and helping issues. We got this from our viewers that we should try and be doing a problem solving videos along with our singing. So on how to design on Corel Draw. How to design any type of thumbnail you can use to upload your videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. So let's get down to business. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and hit the notification bell to get notified anytime we upload our videos. How to create a thumbnail for your video upload on YouTube. So when you open your Corel 2021 welcome app, you will see this as your welcome screen. Don't look at it as if it's somehow rugged or it's somehow. The first thing you need to know now is how to insert a new file, a new document to your Corel Draw. These are my former documents that I created before. We're creating something like this now. So let me get onto business. Click on the new document, then you name your file. I'm going it as the Light Voices. Then you leave this as custom. Select your number page. As for me, I'm using one page to design this. Then my page size. You have various type of page size. You can choose any of them. Then me, I'm choosing A4, and I'm choosing my inches because I like designing on inches. Then landscape because it's a thumbnail, and we're using landscape to design this. And they are all set. Said okay. Then let's get down to the top. This is file. In case you want to insert a new document, you can click on that as we did before, as we did earlier. Then this is a new template. In case you want to insert a template that's already designed inside the Corel Draw. You can open a document like this. I'm going to create something like this. This is my former documents I created before. I'm also going to create something like this now. So on and so forth. When you look into all these, you understand them. They are very simple. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how or explaining all this to you in this video. In our next video, I'll explain this. We'll try our best to explain all this for you now. But today, we are just going to teach you on how to, a quick teaching on how to design a thumbnail. Let's get down to business. These are the properties. Why this is the color palette. Then this is the toolbar. In this toolbar, we have our pick tool, so on and so forth. Then we are selecting the rectangular tool to create our shape for the thumbnail. We draw it like this. After creating something like this, you can see the shape. The shape is drawn because of the power clip, so that we can power clip our background inside and also give a good shape to the thumbnail. Then what you have to do to import a background is to bring your cursor right here and right click. Then you see this box pop on. Then you can click on import. Then you can select your background. I'm using this background. And zoom out and zoom in with your mouse. Then you draw the background. Then to insert this background into this box, what you need to do is to click on the background, then right click. You see this power clip, then you power clip it inside the box like this. You double click it and adjust the box closer to the just like this. Like to the next thing to do is to add the text, like how to design a tool may Corel draw. And you can enter Control E, Control A, sorry, then Control E. Then bring your letter down. You can zoom in. Then I don't like this font. You can change the font. Centralize. Just tap P on your laptop or your desktop computer, so that you can centralize any of the objects you want to centralize. So you can change this letter color to white by clicking on the letter with the pick tool. Click on the letter, you click on the color you want to use. You can change any of the color. See that I'm using white. and the next thing we're gonna do now is to insert the logo. I'm using a ball as my logo. You bring out the ball. That is it. And draw it just like that in there. Good. Then come double your letter and bring it down for the name of your channel. As my channel is Light Voices, and you write it there. You bring it downward. I think this is too long. I'm shorten it. Just like that. Then you can change the color of the name of your channel to any desired color you like. I'm changing mine to yellow. Then the next thing we're gonna do here, so click on this bulb to add some effects. Then just let you adjust your effects and image adjustment lab. So you can see. Enhance your effect. Then the background, to the background, we'll see add some effect to make it look cool. Yeah, I think it's okay. Now let's preview. Can use your zoom to zoom out and zoom in, zoom out. This is for fitting, and you can view your design in full screen preview. See it? And the next thing we have to tell you now, in any design on CorelDRAW, you have to choose your color from the background to make it look wonderful. So you can see we choose from this color at the background, which is gold. This one matches with this. This one here matches with this one. This one matches with this one. Then our letter, we made it white all because of the background. Because it's dark. If you should add any other color, just like this now, it looks stupid. Now look cool. And leave it like this. Then the next thing we have to do now is to export. Can come to file here, click on export, or let's do it the other way. Control E on your keyboard, and you save it. What you need to do is to export it. In your export section, you see something like this. You leave your custom, RGB color. You leave it like that, the highest. That is the quality. You leave it at highest, and OK. And you save your drawing. Before saving, you will come down here, this place below, and you click on the version, go to the list version. They show to you here, so that you can edit this file in any other CorelDRAW version without any disturb. So that's all. This is our design. This will look forward to you for your subscription and for your like. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Please share and hit the notification bell to get notified anytime we upload our videos. God bless you, and thanks for watching.
Light of Life Redeemers Camp Ministry, present, gospel concert, with the Light Voices, featuring other chorister members, entertainment, etc. Date, 2nd of October 2022, venue, Angle 80, beside Oak River Secondary School, off Old Oluseyi Ubiaja Road, Ukoni, Uromi Edo State, Nigeria. Time, 9 a.m. prompt. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, on The Light Voices, and also visit our website, on The Light Voices. Try to be there to feel the power of praise and entertainment. Thank you all. We will be glad if our invitation is honored. God bless you all.